Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to read and write data to Alibaba Cloud's network-attached storage service from an Alibaba Cloud Function Compute serverless function. You will need a virtual private cloud installed and up and running in your region. The VPC must have a security group and an ECS. Go to the console page and click through to Network-Attached Storage. In the NAS console in your region, click Create File System. Select the following details in your region and click OK. In the file system details, click Add Mount Point. Connect up your VPC to the NAS mount point and configure the default permission group. Click OK. The NAS console will refresh and you will see the details of the mount point. Click through to Manage. Make a note of the mount address, then hover over the mount address. You will see details of the mount point. Now we are ready to create a function compute service that connects to the NAS via the mount point. Click through to the Function Compute console from the Products page. In your region, click the Create Service Add button. Enter a service name and slide open Advanced Settings. In Advanced Settings, select your VPC details and scroll down to NAS Config Settings. Add the NAS configuration details. -1 is the default user ID and indicates a random user. We've used 168 as the recommended group ID. Add the mount point and local mount path. Scroll down to configure and authorize the NAS full access role. Confirm the authorization policy. Once the role has been authorized, click OK. Now we're ready to write some code that reads and writes data to the NAS we just set up. In the service details, click the Add button to create a new function. We'll select the empty function. Leave trigger and click Next. Give the function a name and select the runtime. Then click Next. Add NAS full access role permission configuration and authorize. Confirm the authorization policy. Click Next. Check the details and click Create. You will see the details of the function you just created. Copy-paste the following code into the IDE. Notice that the root directory parameter points to an event. Click Event. In the event details, add the following key-value pairs and click OK. Now click Save and Invoke to invoke the code. In the output underneath the code, you will see the result. Here we can see the file path for the successful NAS write. Make a note of the path. Now we're ready to create an NAS read function with another function compute function. Click the Add button next to Functions and click Create Function. Follow all the setup steps as in the previous section until you are ready to enter the code. In the Code Management IDE, enter the following code. We now have to create the event for the key-value pairs. Click Event. In the Event slide-out, add the following. File path is the result of the previous read function. Click OK. Click Save and Invoke. You will see the successful result in the output. You now know how to read and write data to Alibaba Cloud's network-attached storage service from an Alibaba Cloud Function Compute serverless function. Thanks for watching.